One of the biggest time wasters in pavement estimating is manually accounting for islands and medians. Watch what happens when I draw a boundary around this parking lot. The system automatically scans the satellite image. It detects every landscape island, median, and tree well inside the boundary, and then deducts them from the total. Your total gross square footage minus the islands equals your net pavable area. Ready for estimating, no guessing, no manual math. Each detection is labeled and numbered on the map. Don't agree with one? Remove it. Need to add something the AI missed? Add it manually. You're always in control. After an inspection, PavementIQ generates a prioritized multi-year maintenance plan, sometimes called a phased approach. Immediate action items, year one, year two, each with scope details and a cost range based on current rates in your area and information you feed the system. Now you can take that plan directly into your sales process. Check the line items you want to quote. For example, pothole repairs and the mill and pave. The system totals the cost range at the bottom. Tap Send to HubSpot, name the deal, pick your number from low, mid, or high estimate, set the stage, and create it. The numbers can also be edited in HubSpot, so don't worry about it here. You then switch to HubSpot, you can see that the deal is there. The Pacer score, the scope details, the cost range, all attached.